And a Henderson County man charged with online solicitation of a child. He was booked into the Henderson County Jail today. 50-year-old James Baum was arrested yesterday at his home on Chaparral Drive and also charged with assaulting a deputy. In addition to the two charges, he's also charged with stalking. Deputies say they arrived at Baum's home, announced their presence, and eventually breached the door of his home to gain access. Inside, they found him armed with a rifle, and officials say it was loaded. However, he eventually surrendered. Baum remains in jail on a $450,000 bond.